Welcome back to Tekno Bilim Adamı. Today, we're diving into that crazy iPhone 11 error that's been driving users crazy. If you've been using an iPhone 11, you might have noticed the annoying issue where the screen flickers or even freezes after the latest iOS update. Apple's latest software update has left some users frustrated, with their phones acting up unexpectedly. What's happening? The problem seems to affect various apps and system functions, causing the iPhone 11 to behave unpredictably. The display glitching and apps crashing are some of the most common complaints. So, how can you fix it? First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If that doesn't help, try restarting your device or resetting settings. Some users have also reported success by doing a full factory reset. It's a frustrating issue, but don't worry. Apple is aware of the problem, and they're working on a fix with future updates. Don't forget to subscribe to Tekno Bilim Adamı, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this issue.